Yes, sir. Finally got my oil change, man. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't as bad as the guy told me it was going to be. He told me that shit was gonna be like $300-400, bro. I was like, what? It was still a little pricey, but at least I could ride my bike, bro. Damn. And they fixed the chain. It was sagging a little bit. I'm on my way back home now. I'm probably not gonna ride because I don't know if you can see, it's very cloudy. But damn, bro, I'm excited. I don't know when I should do the next one. I was probably thinking probably like 1,000, maybe 1,200. I'm not sure. Probably put like another 200-300 miles on it and then come back and get another one. And then from there on, I'm gonna get it myself. I'm gonna do it myself. And this part right here has to change, bro. I'm tired of this ugly ass exhaust. That's gonna be my next purchase, unless I get that Corvette right there or that Mero. But I don't know. I want the SC Projects, but they don't have a full system for this bike specifically. So I was either thinking about getting an SC Project slip-on, but the slip-on itself is like $800. I was like, bro, there's no way for a slip-on that how much it is. But I don't know. I might just go with an M4, and then after that I'll get the full system. But yeah, this feels nice. I like the bike. I don't know exactly what they did to it, but yeah, what is going on here? I also need a new visor. I don't like having a clear visor. I don't know why. I just don't, bro. Like, I low-key, like, on a bike, you already don't have that much privacy. I low-key do want my privacy just because, like, not that I am going to, but if I were to do something illegal, for example, run a light or some shit, I don't want to be seen on camera. Even though my license plate is tucked, motherfucker, I'm gonna be on camera like this. Like, I don't know if you can see the reflection of this car in front of me, but you're gonna be able to see everything. And I'm like, bro, it is what it is, though. I'll rock with it for now, because even the visor itself is so much money. But I have big plans for this bike. I want it to look good. I also need to go get it clean, because still haven't had a wash. In my apartment, they don't have hoses outside where you can connect to it and wash your own car. So I don't know. I just gotta look. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna go home, and from there, I don't know. I'll probably see if I could find a meet this weekend. Do something out in the public to show you guys what the bike is capable of, what it looks like compared to other ones. But it just depends on how the weather is, because again, Virginia is weird, so you never know when it's gonna rain. You never know when something crazy is gonna happen. I don't know why there's traffic. I see police lights up ahead, but it's fine. I'm not in no rush. It's not raining right now, at least. It feels good too. It's not hot. Earlier, bro. Earlier when I was riding back to Norfolk, oh my god, bro. It was like, it felt like 93, but it was like 88. But yet again, I was wearing a jacket and a long sleeve shirt and a brown shirt. So I guess. I don't like putting the bike in neutral when I stop, but my hands hurt from playing basketball. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is probably gonna be the end of the video just for now, until I don't know, I feel like recording again. I'm not really too sure what to post. I am gonna do more like point of view driving around. Obviously I got the bike now and I have the camera, so I'm able to do it now. Not like before I wasn't able to. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoy. If you have any questions about the bike that I can now show you, let me know and I will. If you got any recommendations on spots or whatever around here that you guys would like to see, let me know. I do have a couple plans or places where I would like to drive the bike, just to show you how it handles and whatever. But I'm still learning myself, obviously, so I don't know. Like I said, just let me know what you guys want to see content wise and everything else. Peace out. Damn, it's been a bad accident. That's the second one I've seen so far.